Hi guys, it's 12 o'clock on Tuesday and look how it's raining. But anyway, it's good for the garden. We have quite a nice weather. But that means like Marlon and Coco are inside the whole day, and we are you. There is Marlo sleeping the day away, and Mummy is working very hard. I've been up already. Well, last night I went to bed at 3 o'clock in the morning because I slept in the daytime a little bit, like from about 4 o'clock to 8, 9 o'clock, and I couldn't go back to sleep. So I worked nice, and this is only what I have to do, and I'm finished. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys. I can't believe it because this is actually, it is quite a big head. It's bigger than the other heads I did. And the difference between, let me sit down. Otherwise I move the camera too much. Yeah, I was showing you, I just wanted to show you the difference between these heads. Like for instance, let me take Jamie's kit. I must put it together. I haven't still put it together. So, but let me show you the difference between Jamie's head. Put his head away, and then my boy's head. Oh well, I can actually take that one. But look what difference, guys. It's quite a big difference. So I'm not used to that it took so much hair. I mean, I showed you that lock of the hair that I had was a big lock of hair, and this is what I got left. And believe it or not, I don't think I will have enough to do the little girl with the same hair. Otherwise I'm going to choose curly hair, the same color, but curly hair. I have got curly hair. And meantime, yeah, I'm still sitting there with the Sarah kit, which I have to finish. And I have to still put the last, you can see that, I just wet the hair now just to show you how I rooted the hair. Also micro rooted. And this one, this is Summerland. No, wait a minute, no, I make a mistake. Yeah, this is Summerland hair. Yeah, and this is human hair. And even if that baby, you move the head like this, it won't go out of style. So you don't have to brush it all the time. It's just staying like that, which is nice. So yeah. Yeah, I have to do the last layer and put the body on. I got a body for that already. I made them myself. And it needed to have, oh yeah, another thing I wanted to show you. All my babies, they have got rooted eyelashes. If you haven't seen it yet, wait, let me show you. Can you see it, guys? I think it's so much easier to root the eyelashes. I haven't even put his eyes properly because it looks like he's squinting me. Yeah, let's do that. So still got lots of work to do. And yeah, what I was gonna else say. Yeah, about this lock of hair, I don't think I will have enough. It looks a lot, but I don't think I will have enough. I mean, it took quite a lot of hair. I'm surprised. I'm actually very surprised. But it looks so nice and shiny. Yeah. Okay guys, this Coco is coming here by me. I know it's Milo and I think he needs his food. And I must also have lunch. So I'm going to make a nice cappuccino and watch a little bit from the YouTube, some new girls that have box openings. Okay guys, I'll see you later and enjoy the rest of the afternoon, and we shall see you soon. I mean, tomorrow I will be finished because tonight I'm gonna also work again. I was enjoying this yesterday. Actually, I lost track of the time, 3 o'clock. But anyway, I'm not feeling tired and I had a good sleep still this morning after I helped the people to put the bins out, because they came and collect the bins and the garden man is still not working, so we have got this little bit of extra work to do. But it's okay, we're feeling so good when we do good deeds, isn't it? Okay guys, that's all for now and see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye. My Coco, where are you? Bye.